Hello guys, good evening once again. I'm back. I'm recording this video. I still want to re-emphasize on that fact that uh, same principle, same strategy you continue to use. So you can still see what price did today, though I didn't take any trade because I was not in my right frame of mind and I'm not on the chart. But I was able to place my zone last night, and you can see price actually broke above it. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Price broke above it, and now price came back to test it. You can see the amount of rejection, and finally you can see the lift off for the buy. So ideally we are supposed to take, let's assume we want to take the trade. We take our long position because price have broken out and has come back to retest. We take our long position, then we enter from any of the two zones, here or here, but most of the time GU would always come to the low before pushing. But even if you enter from here, you just do a 20 pips stop, I think you'll be fine. A 20 pips stop will be very fine. You'll still be in the market because price will not take you out. Fine. From there, a 20 pip stop will be fine. So our target will be times 2, 40 pips. So now as you can see, price have not even gotten to 40 pips. So I'm expecting this market to rally all the way up to next psychological level. So we could see even a much more um bullish move to something about this point, maybe here, like 100 pips right, since price did not complete the 40. But we are not going to assume. We are day traders. We do 1:2, 1:2. So as of today, as of yesterday, price did not complete the 1:2. But it is promising. It is promising. You can still see that market has broken a high which it created today. You can see the high price have broken. You can see the high here. You can see the two levels price created here, and it has broken both levels to the upside. You can see it. You can see, I don't know if you can see. That is it. Let me use trend line to identify that zone. You can see it. I don't know if anybody can see. This is the zone here. Price has broken. This is the current one. Price has broken. But so let us see what price is doing around this consolidation area. So that's where we get our trade to see maybe we are going to continue buying or we are going to sell. Okay, now let's do same thing we do every day. Though the way it is, price has not created any level after the close of this, but Asian section, this is the level I'm seeing. I'm seeing this high. This is the high price has broken here. I'm seeing this high. This is the high price has broken. Okay, and I'm seeing a low. The low here, price has broken. You can see it clearly. If you make it wide, you see it. Price have broken out of that level. You can see price coming back to test it and bang to the upside. So let's see what price will do. Price can likely keep pushing upward, create another level, then a break of that level at retest will go in for the long. So right now price has broken this level. So what do? We position to see if price will come back to test this level for the second time, and maybe a new high will be created at that point. By the time price comes back to test this and break that level, that zone, that is a clear sentiment that we are going to continue buying. In this case, if I see that high that has formed, I see a retracement and a break of that level, I will enter an immediate break, an immediate break, because coming back and boom to the upside just keep, market will just keep surging high. I will trade the immediate break. So that's what I have for tomorrow. We could see an extension down to this point, but up we are going to wait until 9 a.m. to see what price will do. Always I will still want to tell you this: if you're a trader, you should know that the best time to trade is during the open of either London or UK or New York. Okay, that's the best time, and I will advise you start looking for entries between 8:30, 9, 10 and 11. You definitely see an entry if you already have a sentiment that you want to follow. And so please guys, always keep one bias. If you want to buy, buy regardless of if price to take your stop loss, leave it. If you want to buy, buy. If you want to sell, sell. If at the cost of you thinking that you want to buy and you now say the market want to sell, you start selling, 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 you get all the process messed up. In that case, you lose focus, and when it comes to that, it's going to be loss, loss, loss. So keep one bias and trade it. If today you see a sell, take the sell. Okay, take the sell. If you are seeing a sell, take the sell. Set your stop loss, put your take profit, and let it go, and let it go, let it play out. If the market goes in your favor, your TP will be smashed. If not, take your stop loss. Always use risk management all the time. If you're trading, always try to risk only 0.5 or 1% of your account. That way you'll be very, very, very fine. So now price have broken this high, so I want to see price create a new high, coming back to retest this zone and bang to the upside, creating a new high. At the break of that high, I'm going to enter an immediate break, an immediate break. Though we have a zone price broke out from, so there's a possibility of price coming back down also to test this high and boom to the upside. So it depends on what price we do tomorrow. But all of this, we'll start looking for entry from 8:30 to 9. That is when London section will become open and active. But before then, you have to know your sentiment. What is the market telling you that London wants to do? The same thing, New York, what is the market telling you that New York wants to do? You should know. You come into the market between 11:30 and 12:30, the New York section, you now see what price wants to do. Look for levels. If price breaks such levels, then you know that price want to obey the break of that level. Just like today, you can see New York section, Asian push out of my zone, London back to that zone. You can see the push in New York, came back all the way back to that same zone. It is still rejected, to tell us that that zone is a very strong zone, and before we know it, bang to the upside. So assuming we have taken this trade since morning, our entry would have been here. Probably by the time price comes here, I will take my first entry. If we keep tanking, I'll take the next entry here. By the time I see this, I hold, because I've taken my 1% already. Then I hold for price to do what? Hit my take profit. So guys, you can see what price is doing. Price is creating levels. So most time I really want to see the levels price has created after the close of that particular day. That is, after the section break, after the section break line, that level is what I like to always see. That level after the section break, the level after the section break is a good one. that one gives us a nice sense of direction. The level after the section break, I repeat, the level after the section break, after the break, the day, after the day. So guys, let's see what price will do. Tomorrow we'll look at the market, then we'll now take our decision based on price action, based on what price has done. So as you can see what price is doing off that zone, but I want to see if price will create a high. That high becomes a very very important level for us to trade. So I'm waiting. You can see price came back to that one, tested that one. Let's see if this can hold. The other one will hold. Let's see what price will do. All right, guys.